Hey guys, welcome back to the D&M Toy Club. Today, we've got surprise tools. By the way, are you a clubster? If you're not a D&M Toy Clubster, press that red button, the subscribe button, so you can check out all of our new videos every day.
Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club. Let's go!
Alright, let's check out our toy tools. We've got today our surprise tool. We're going to open it at the end of the video. So you have to watch all the way through the video to see the surprise tool. Which ones do we have today? Oh, cool! The color red. That's one of our wood saws. And we're learning our colors today with these really cool toy tools for kids. What else we got in our toy tool workbench? Whoa! Look at that chainsaw! That's a real chainsaw! Wow! What's in our tool? Here we go! We got a metal saw! These saws cut through metal! Very cool! What colors do they have? Let's take a look! We've got orange, the handle is orange, and the blade is black! Very cool! But you gotta be careful using a saw! What's in our toy toolbox again? Whoa! Check out the bandsaw! Whoa! Watch this! Wow! Cool! Let's see what else we got in our toolbox for kids. It's a really small handsaw. That's a wood saw too. But it's very small. The colors are orange and gray. Very cool. Wait until you see this. Check out the street saw. That's a saw that cuts through the street. Wow! That's amazing! Now let's check out our axe saw. The axe saw has colors orange and green. Can you spot the green? Whoa, check that out. You're right, that's green and that's orange. What else do we have in our toolbox for kids? Fun hacksaw. Look at this hacksaw. The hacksaw has many colors. The color blue, the color red, and the color orange. Wow! Which of these saws is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Cool! Alright, it's our surprise toy tool. Which toy is it? I wonder what kind of a saw that is. Come on, let's peel away the gold foil and find out what's underneath there. Wait a minute, I see part of it. Wait, it's almost there. What kind of saw is that? It's got yellow and blue. Oh, it looks like a metal saw. That's another one that cuts through metal. How cool. Alright guys, give us a thumbs up if you like our videos and don't forget, subscribe. Bye.